Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1, Fed Monetary Policy Report. Probably most importantly this week, there is the Fed's semi-annual submission to the Senate on the economy and monetary policy outlook. With so much focus on the prospect of a larger hike in March and/or more hawkish guidance from the Fed, this report will be closely monitored with traders keen to glean any clues as to how the Fed is likely to act over coming months and quarters. Number 2, Eurozone Flash CPI. The latest look at consumer prices in the Eurozone will be a major event for markets this week, with the ECB having signalled its intention to switch to data-dependent stance following the next hike in March. The market is increasingly looking for signs that the ECB will slow the pace of tightening, heading for a pause in early summer. However, any unexpected uptick in inflation will likely throw this view into doubt. Number 3, US durable goods. The week kicks off with US durable goods. On the back of the string of better than expected US data points recently, incoming US dollar data ahead of the March FOC will draw plenty of attention. If the narrative of increasing US economic strength continues, hawkish expectations should remain intact, keeping US dollar well supported while exerting downward pressure on equities and commodities via higher yields. Similarly, given the scale of these hawkish expectations, mostly on the back of upside CPI surprise, it would likely take a significant downside shock to derail the bullish US dollar story. Number 4, US ISM Manufacturing Services PMIs. The latest set of US ISM readings will follow on from durable goods later in this week, with a great deal of focus on recession risks in the US and how the economy is coping with the Fed's tightening operations. This ISM data will be closely watched. Should we see further strong readings on the back of last week's positive PMI readings in the US, this will encourage the view that the Fed still has room to push harder with rate hikes this year. Number 5, Australian CPI. Aussie CPI will also be a key focus point for traders this week. The prospect of a renewed hawkishness from the RBA has recently come back into the spotlight on the back of an unexpected uptick in January inflation, coming just after the RBA's latest 0.25% rate hike. The data suggests room for the RBA to step up the pace of tightening again at the next meeting. If this week's CPI data shows further strength, a larger hike is all but guaranteed for the next meeting. You can of course click on the link in the description just below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everyone, good luck trading this week, and remember to please give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.